right, guys, all the time I'm asked, what is the best pillow for my head when I'm sleeping? The answer to that? The answer to that is I don't know. Everyone's different. Some people like a very puffy, firm pillow. Some people love a tiny little thin, rinky-dinky pillow. I happen to have here a buckwheat husk pillow. People look at me like that's crazy because if you hear it, it's kind of crunchy and loud, but the beauty of a pillow like this, A, is you can take out as much filling as you want. B, you can get it to where it's exactly the right thickness for your head, and you can kind of nuzzle in, and what happens is it kind of locks you into place. Oh man, that's comfortable. I feel like I'm gonna take a nap right now. This feels so good. So some people think, well, what about a temper material or Tempur-Pedic pillow? Other people say, I got one that's got a curve and I got some that support my shoulders. The answer is they're all good. You're gonna have to experiment and see which one you feel most comfortable with, and that's the one that's gonna give you the best night's sleep. If you follow my instructions for positioning and find the pillow that works best for you, you're gonna sleep like a baby, recuperate really well, and your day ahead will feel so much better with energy. You're gonna feel revived. You'll be ready to tackle the day. I'm Dr. Let's say you're a side sleeper, or you're trying to become one. A lot of people, when they're lying on their side, have a tendency to have a pillow that's too thin, which lets their head go over this way, or sometimes it can be too thick, which pushes their head up this way. You want to make sure it's pretty neutral. All right, guys, so if you're going to sleep on your back, it's a really good idea to have some kind of a decently thick pillow underneath your knees. Why? Because when you bend your knees slightly as opposed to having them straight, you take stress out of your lower back. If you're going to be on your back, this pillow that goes under your head should be thin. Why? Because putting your head into flexion or bringing your head up with, say, I need two pillows, I'm a snorer, I snore, I have sinus issues or headache issues, and they put their heads up with a lot of pillows, when that does is it actually compresses the discs and irritates nerves in your neck. So what you want to do is make sure you don't have that by having a very thin pillow or no pillow. And if you need something, roll up a hand towel, put that underneath your neck to give you support for that C curve that you're supposed to have in your neck, and sleep with your head back. A hand towel, this is a small little microfiber towel, it's going to be too small, but something like that. Put that behind your neck and lie on your back. That's going to give support to your cervical curve. Believe it or not, it feels very comfortable, especially if you have neck pain. I'm Dr. Joseph Bogart. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more healthy tips and better ways to do things ergonomically to help your body function and feel fantastic. I'm Dr. Joseph Bogart. Good night. It's a personal preference thing. However, the suggestions made in this video, I suggest trying them all. You can see which one you like the most.